Welcome to Hey Jag's delivery service, the perfect way to earn while making a real difference in your community. My name is Mohammed Kaada. I am the CEO and founder of Hey Jag. As a Hey Jag delivery partner, your role is simple but important. You'll deliver food and groceries to customers, ensuring they get what they need, when they need it. Whether it's a hot pizza from a local restaurant or fresh produce from the grocery store, you'll be the friendly face bringing convenience to their door. The best part? You're in control. Work flexible hours, choose the deliveries you want to take, and earn money on your schedule. Ready to get started? In the next step, we'll walk you through how to get approved as a delivery partner. You'll learn how to fill in your details, upload your documents, and complete the onboarding process. Once approved, you'll be ready to accept your first delivery request and start earning. So, stay tuned for the next steps, and let's get you on the road with Hey Jag. How to sign up on the Hey Jag Driver app. Download the app, visit the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Search for Hey Jag Driver and download the app. Step 2. Open the app. Launch the app, and you'll see the welcome screen. Welcome to Hey Jag Driver. Make extra cash by delivering orders to our customers. Step 3. Log in or sign up. If you're new to Hey Jag Driver, tap Sign Up to create a new account. Already have an account? Tap Login and enter your details to start. Step 4. Create your account. After tapping Sign Up, you'll be directed to the Create New Account screen. Upload picture and vehicle picture. Tap the profile icon to upload your picture. Tap the vehicle icon to upload a picture of your vehicle. Choose your service. Select the type of service you want to provide. Delivery service. Deliver goods or food orders. Cab service. Offer rides to customers. Parcel service. Transport packages or parcels. Rental service. Provide rental options for vehicles. Delivery service. Step 5. Fill in your details. If you select delivery service as your service type, complete the registration form by providing the following details: first name and last name, car model and car license plate, phone number, email address, password, and confirm password. Step 6. Upload proofs. Pick up car proof. Upload a photo of your car insurance. Pick up driver. Proof. Upload your driver's license as proof of eligibility. Step 7. Submit your application. Tap the Sign Up button to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation email or SMS once your account has been verified. Step 8. After getting approved. Once your account is approved, you can start delivering with the following steps. Go online. Toggle the switch on your profile to mark yourself as available. Access orders. Check your pending and active orders in the Orders section of the app. Manage earnings. View your earnings under the Wallet section, where you can track your daily, monthly, and yearly income. Setup. Withdrawal methods. Configure how you receive payments, e.g., bank transfer, PayPal, or credit card, in the Withdraw Method section. Congratulations! Your delivery driver account has been successfully created and verified. What's next? Start accepting orders. Stay online to receive new delivery requests. Manage your wallet. Track your earnings and withdrawals easily. Check your profile. Ensure your details are up to date. Stay active. The more deliveries you complete, the more you earn. Thank you for joining. Hey Jag Delivery, we're thrilled to have you as part of our community. Let's get delivering.